I just finished a meeting right now for work and I decided to get some breakfast done. I already had my coffee, so I'm gonna have some breakfast now. And I think I'm gonna make some egg sandwiches with the everything ciabatta rolls. Everything ciabatta rolls. Why is that so hard for me to say? So I get these at Trader Joe's. They do come frozen. I did refreeze them just so they last a little bit longer. But I like to make them with a fried egg, turkey bacon, and pepper jack cheese. And then I like to use the garlic spread also from Trader Joe's just to give it kind of like a garlicky taste and it's not so dry. And typically when I have spinach, I will use spinach also, but I don't have any spinach right now, so we're just gonna have to work with what we got because your girl's not trying to go to the store for some spinach right now. Maybe later for lunch I'm gonna have to figure something out, but I've been doing really good with eating like breakfast, lunch, and dinner at home. I forgot to take these out of the freezer, but it's okay. I just microwaved them out and thawed them out and they're good to go. I'm gonna spray my pan. It's pretty cool. And I like using turkey bacon more than I like using regular bacon. And I don't know, I just don't like the taste of the extra fat. But if you want to use regular bacon, by all means use regular bacon. I know a lot of people come at me and say that turkey bacon is not regular bacon. I get that, but I'm trying to pick out the healthier option. I'm just gonna do a regular fried egg or 2 of them since I'm making breakfast for me and Kevin. So I'm gonna do 2. And I'm only using a little bit of the pink Himalayan salt. Also the everything but the bagel seasoning. I sprinkle a little bit because this also has salt. So I don't want to put too much, but it does give it really good flavor. I am going to break up the yolk though. I don't like a runny yolk, so I do break it up a little bit. So this is the Sargento ultra thin pepper jack, and this is 40 calories per slice. While they're so hot, I'm gonna put the garlic spread on there just so it goes on there smoothly. If you love garlic, you're gonna like this because it's very garlicky. It's literally only garlic, lemon juice, citric acid, and salt, so it's very garlicky. I'm gonna add the egg. I promise these are better tasting than Starbucks. I'm not a huge fan of the Starbucks sandwiches, to be honest. I think they're overpriced and they're not even fresh, so I'm gonna do some pepper jack cheese over the egg. The bacon's done. I like to cut it in half just so it can kind of cover everything. Nice. I use maybe 2 strips of bacon per sandwich. And like I said, if you have spinach, I would add some greens in there, but we don't have any right now. Look at this. Look at how tasty that looks. So much better than Starbucks, and it's homemade. Tastes so much better. So good. I think the bacon and the garlic sauce really make the sandwich. It's so good. And these rolls are everything. I want to say they're like $2.99 or something like that for the 4-pack. It's worth it. You know what I forgot? Hot sauce. So guess what came in the mail today? Because I placed the order like 3 weeks ago and I don't know why it took forever to get here. I think it's probably just everything being delayed, but you guys, if you did not know that I was a Post Malone fan, I don't know what you're doing. But you know what? To be fair, I don't think I've mentioned it on my channel. I love me some Post Malone. I listen to the album at least several times a week. Don't ask me why. Well, you know what? Ask me why, because a lot of his music All of his songs are amazing. It's like something different to connect to. Like, I love his style. I love how different he is. His music is so different than everybody else's. It's like he has his own like genre, you know what I mean? Like, he just created a whole new world with music, and I love him for that. I love him for being himself and just being different than everyone else, and I love me some Posty. So look at this. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute is this, you guys? It's awesome. I can't wait to actually rock this. I love that I did get it in a large, so it's kind of big, but it's okay because I wanted it to fit that way. I wanted it to fit kind of loose, but I love me some Post. Comment down below what your favorite Post Malone song is, what your favorite album is. You know what, let's go with songs because I want to be more specific. Comment down below what your favorite Post Malone song is. And if you don't like Post Malone, I'm sorry. I feel sorry for you because Post Malone is everything. And I want to say my favorite song probably has to be Circles. Even though they've overplayed it on the radio so many times, it's okay. It's probably still one of my favorite songs right now. I really want to watch this Tiger show on Netflix that everyone's talking about. Apparently it made it to the top 10, so probably gonna watch that. By the way, if you guys are looking for new shows to watch on Netflix, Lock and Key, if you haven't seen it and you're kind of into like magic, and it's kind of like a scary magic. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but Lock and Key, sci-fi, it's awesome. It's on Netflix. And then what else am I watching right now? Oh, The Order. The Order is also pretty good. I just finished it. I think they only have one season out, but it's also really good. I would say check that out. And if you haven't seen that movie with Post Malone and Mark Wahlberg, I can't remember what it's called right now, but I'm sure you'll see it on Netflix because Post Malone is like on the front cover of it. It's awesome. It's funny. And I love that Post Malone is playing like the tough, like gangster tattooed guy in prison. And yeah, I thought it was awesome. So check that out. And if you guys have any recommendations of shows that I should watch after I get done with my work situation, I have all the time in the world. So leave me your favorite shows also in the comments so I can check them out. I really like horror. I really like funny films, documentaries, crime stuff. So anything like that, comment down below because I'm looking for some new shows. So it is now lunchtime and I just reheated the tikka masala and the rice. So the tikka masala, I use the sauce from the Trader Joe's video that I filmed. I just put it in the crock pot with chicken and I let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, and then I just ended up making rice, and this makes your whole house smell so good. And if you can hear that noise in the background, it's my air fryer that's going right now. Hey, Barky McBarkerson. She's like, yeah, that's me. That's me, Mom. What do you want from me? Hi, mamas. I took her out on a walk and she was just barking at everybody and their mom. She's cute, but she might bite. No, just kidding. She won't bite. She's a sweet dog. You want to give kisses to the camera? You want to give a camera kisses? Give a camera kisses. Oh my goodness. So Kevin got me this thing made by Brumé, and if you like White Claws, you'll like it. It keeps your White Claws cold because when you don't have a koozie, because you're, you know, like the warmth of your hand, before you're even done drinking it, it's just, it gets hot. So with this, it keeps it cold all the way. So get yourself one. It's on Amazon, but it's made by Brumé. I think that's gonna be it for today's video, and I'm hoping that at this time you guys probably saw my new intro because I plan on putting it on for this video. If you liked it, thumbs up or comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.